How to add payment gateway in GoDaddy website. First, sign into your account, then click on your name in the top right corner and choose the section for My Products. From within your products page, you will scroll down until you see Websites plus Marketing. Click on it to expand it and then choose the correct one here, Websites plus Marketing, depending on your needs. I will do the top one, Websites plus Marketing until free, and you want to click on Manage. Now, once you have selected your plan from the previous step, then right here, you will choose the option for Store and you want to choose Settings. So click on Settings. Now, it might take a little bit of time to load, but then you have to select payment methods here. So you just want to click on payment methods. And if you want to add a payment gateway for your GoDaddy website, here you can set it up. You can accept PayPal. You just have to click on connect and connect your PayPal account. Or you have the option of accepting offline payments, accept payments outside of your online store, provide your own instructions, which is good for paying in person, paying by cash, check, or bank. Here you will choose your payment gateway method, enable it, and that is how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.